Guys, these days I'm in Sri Lanka, which is my home country. You guys should visit this Emerald Island at least once in your lifetime. And these are some of the places I visited during the last few weeks. So I really spent some good time with my family and friends. However, I didn't forget you guys at all. So I spent a couple of days and did a research, then came up with this brand new strategy where you just have to watch a video to make money, and the best part is this has nothing to do with those annoying ads. This also doesn't require any previous experience or skills from your end, and since I'll be showing you multiple platforms, make sure you stay until the end of this short video without missing any of them. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video just like this. Guys, this is a brand new and a unique method that's completely beginner friendly. First website that will pay us today is BucksInside.com. As it says, get paid every 10 seconds. At Bucks Inside, you get paid just for browsing your advertisers' websites, and you can cash out instantly, and the minimum payment threshold is just $2, which is a great one because most of these sites they want you to earn like $10 to $20 to make a cash out. So here you only need $2 to cash out. And in this site I'll show you some payment proofs. As you can see, this works worldwide, guys. So you can go through this and see the payment proofs. People from Spain, Brazil, US, Canada, Argentina, Belgium, India, Pakistan, and people from all around the world are making money through various withdrawal options such as PayPal, Coinbase, ATM, and so on. You can see this person from Canada has made $2,219. This person has made $5,375. This person has made only $12. This person has also made about $5,000, $1,500, $686, $12, $10, $469. Again, it depends on your commitment. You may earn lesser than this, you may earn more than this, or even the same. And this website pays you in USD, Bitcoin, and they pay you via Dash to your Coinbase. And in order to get started, you have to go over here and hit register. And you should give a username, your email, repeat your email. This is not required. How do you like to get paid? And the payment method, they have PayPal, AdCash, Perfect Money, Coinbase if you'd like to get paid in crypto, and they have ATM as well. Here you have to give your birth year, that's to confirm that you're above 18, and read the terms of service, hit yes, and click register to get started. And now let's move on to the best of them all. It's already LightGPT.com. This is kind of a new site and it hasn't been around for that long, but you should check out this. Their Trustpilot reviews. They have 1,000 reviews with rating of 4.4. Guys, this is a legit website. You can read these reviews and clarify that. I won't take your time reading all of them. And let's see what you'll get at LightGPT.com. Here you can see the earners benefits. There are more than 8 earning ways. The minimum withdrawal will be 50 cents and you can withdraw in dollars or Bitcoin. They even have a referral program if you want to do like affiliate marketing. You can get your affiliate ID from this website and give my video, so your friends will sign up to this website and earn money, and you'll also get a commission from them, and you have some daily bonuses, passive income. And the earning ways are PTC and video ads, offer walls, short links, faucet. And guys, watching video ads is the best way of earning money here, as these ads are not like those old school annoying ads. These are high quality ads, and these advertisers pay LightGPT.com a lot of money in order to market their products or services, so you'll also get paid a decent amount of money by watching these ads. In fact, you don't even have to watch them. Just open a new tab and let it play in the background while you're off doing something else. And you can scroll down and see their total members. I said this is a new platform. They only have 255,456 members. At the moment, they have paid out over $10,000. You can read these services here and you can see the payment options. Bitcoin, Faucet Pay, Payeer, coin payments. And let's check out the recent payouts. As you can see, people from all over the world are getting paid at lightgpt.com in several ways, such as Payeer, Faucet Pay, AirTM. And guys, in order to get paid via Faucet Pay, you have to come over to faucetpay.io and sign up for a brand new account. Okay, it's faucetpay.io. These only if you need to withdraw money via Bitcoin. So sign up, give a username, email address, repeat that, give a password, repeat the password, tick here to accept the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, read them if you want, tick here to confirm that you are a human, and hit this sign up button. Make sure you give a valid email address, because whenever you get paid you need your email address to confirm the OTPs and all. And here at Faucet Pay also you can earn by completing surveys, pay to click. I mean, you can get paid by clicking ads. They have an offer wall as well. So these are bonus, and they also have an affiliate program over here, so you can refer your friends to Faucet Pay. I'm not gonna go through these as these are really simple steps. I'm just showing you the legit sites and the ways you can get paid from these sites, and it's absolutely free to create accounts and sign up to these websites. And I couldn't tell you, in order to get started at lightgpt.com also, you have to come over here and hit register over here and complete this simple form. Give a username, email, password, confirm the password, and accept the terms and conditions and the privacy notice, and hit register. Don't go anywhere guys, there's a bonus site for you, and that is coinpayu.com. Earn crypto by doing offers, weaving advertisements, and here you can earn several cryptocurrencies, not only Bitcoin. And this is also a legit website. You can go through the reviews. Over here they have 2,357 reviews from all over the world with a 4.9 rating. They have over 113,000 active users weekly, and you can see the payment proofs, and these are Bitcoin payment proofs, and there are over 11,000 pages just like this to show the payment proofs. You can go to these addresses and see if you want to, and you can check their Payeer payments. They are paying dollars via Payeer, and the other crypto payments such as Ethereum, Dogecoin, USDT, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoins, Dash, Binance, and so on. And here also they have an affiliate program guys. Invite new users and earn passive Bitcoin income. It's a high profitable partnership condition, lifetime earning with your invited users. Guys, in some websites, if you refer someone, they pay you affiliate commissions for about 6 months or 12 months. But here it's lifetime earnings, so you'll get paid in passive income. They don't hold your money, earnings with no limits, and they even have ready-made promo materials. Why you need ready-made promo materials? You can share this video with your friends and give your affiliate link. Hit this affiliate now button and grab your affiliate link. And in order to get started, go over here and hit register and create a brand new account for absolutely free. Give a username, email, password, repeat password, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Tick this box to confirm that you are not a robot, and hit register. And to be honest, these platforms won't make you rich, but with some simple work you can earn a decent amount of money from these platforms guys. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Join my WhatsApp group, the link down in the description. Share this video with your mates. Don't forget to visit Sri Lanka. Give a big thumbs up to this video. Subscribe with all notifications on. Thanks for watching.